Hey Jonathan, this is Max from Anchor 23 Marketing. The operator on the phone gave me your email address and told me to send this video to you. So what I do is I can show you how you can utilize your website in order to bring in a lot more business. And the general gist here is to rank in Google in this Google Map Pack and organically #1 for these select key terms that people in Miami are searching for. And I picked these select key terms because I know that people are searching for them. There's roughly about 450 to 500 searches every month for a general contractor in Miami. I know it says 600 here, but some of these words are for general contracting school, and you would not want to rank for those. So, jumping right into it, the main 3 ways on how you can rank in this map pack and #1 all begins with the content on your homepage of your website, the backlinks to your website, and the citations. So if we copy everything that you see here on your homepage all the way down, and including what these images are saved as, and we throw it into this word counter, it shows that you guys have 162 words. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and they would want these specific keywords sprinkled in there in a strategic way. So that's really like the big dog of it, is the content on your homepage. The second thing is backlinks. So if we copy your URL here and we throw it into Ahrefs again, it shows us the back end of your website. And basically what a backlink is a website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. So as you can see here, you have 43 websites passing 359 backlinks to your site. Obviously not all of these are good, because although your website health is pretty good, you would want these to be 23 and 23 instead of 23 and 13. So you already have a really good base here in order to start ranking. Really, your health is somewhat better than some of these guys here, so I think that if we just got some of the right content and some of the right backlinks, then you would be ranking there and would be able to bring in a lot more of those customers that are actively searching for you. The third and final thing has everything to do with this Google Map Pack, and it is citations. And I'm going to use Maranata Construction as the example for this. What a citation is a business's name, business address, and business phone number placed on various directories such as Yelp, Facebook, or even the Miami Chamber of Commerce. And that just makes this Google My Business listing a lot more relevant to these search terms, as you can see. So again, those are the 3 main ways that you can get this website in front of the people that are actively searching for it. And I will follow up with you guys tomorrow morning. That'd be Wednesday morning at 9 a.m. just to see your thoughts and see if we can brainstorm something that can help all of us out. So thank you for your time. Bye-bye.